This is the date when the earthquake here in California, in San Francisco, October 1989. October 17 is the earthquake. Bob keep this one. And this one was given by my friend Marie. And this one is the Salt Lake Basin. And that is my angel. This one is Bob's train. He loves train. And this one is the Monterey Bay. I think I have not been to Monterey. I don't know where is it. Monterey Bay. So